Hello friend, it is me Ram Lama, and if you're using Koha library for the first time, then this video will be helping you to check out and check in and check the catalogs for the books in the library. For that you have to go to browser, go to your KIT account, and if you see in the left side, left hand, then you'll see KIT library in Oxford. I want you to click on library, it will redirect to Koha. It is our library, and you will see welcome to KIT library system, and here is the description that information about our library that you can read, and here is search catalog where you can search the books. But before you search the book, I want you to log into your account, and you can use your account, your username of the Moodle and the password of your Moodle, like it says in the scrolling. There is information for you. Just wait. Use your username, use in Moodle as your default login ID and password to log into your account. Okay, so that means you have to use whatever you used before to open your Moodle. Just type here. Okay, for me I will be opening for this name, and I'll use her password and log in. See, log into your account, your incorrect username or the password. Okay, so I may be mistaken in this. Okay, now I'm correct, and it says hello Deepa Kapangi. Click here if you are not. Okay, so see, here you can see Deepa Kapangi. And now if you want to change your password, if you are unhappy with your password, then you can just click here, change your password. Okay, you can just change, and your personal detail is here. You can see your personal details. Okay, so this is her personal detail, and now she has to add her date of birth and addresses. Okay, and the email ID also, primary phone, primary emails. So you can please add and submit update requests. You have to do this one. I request you all to please add your all the information here, so that it will be very much easy for us to contact with you. So don't forget to fill this your personal detail. Okay, once you fill and send it, submit update request. And for now, if you want to see the books, if you want to check out some books based on theology, the research, let me type research and go. Spelling is mistake, so please be careful on the spelling. Okay, this one. Now search. Now you can see here research book are here, your guide to write quality research paper. So if you want to check out, then you have to see here availability is here, items available for loan. So that means no one has taken this book, then you can check it this out books. So what you have to do, place hold, and once you place hold, then we will know, okay, you want this book, and we'll get it ready for you, and you come to library and ask us, then we will provide you the book. Please, if you have any confusion on this, please ask the question to librarian, and if you have any confusion, again, please leave the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.